pro.
Good job!
Michael Phelps. Michael Spitz. That's the best. He pushes it in by himself.
Go get it!
Go get it, Bill! Get it!
He hates when it's on the side.
Belly flop.
He knows when it's like near the side. He doesn't want to touch the liner.
You're smart. I think it's hilarious. He plays by himself. Get it, Bale.
Get it!
Go get it. Oh.
Okay.
Go get it.
Go get it.
And he just goes like this. I'm gonna throw it for him.
You want to go back on the
diving board. Go get it. Shut up.
He dumps himself underwater too if he can't find it. Look at him. He's like reckless right now.
He's like, where is it? Uh-oh, he kicked it under.
He hates it when he can't find it. He gets so scared.
Separation anxiety.
It is, I'm telling you.
But it's crazy that he knows to go up the steps.
We'll do one more, and then you gotta keep it free. Yay! Good boy!
This is my favorite part. Can you hear him breathing?
Yeah, he needs to relax. After this.